Hi friends, National Farmers Day in India is also known as Kisan Divas is celebrated every year on 23rd December on the birthday of 5th Prime Minister of India Chaudhry Charan Singh, who also known as farmers leader who introduced many policies to improve the lives of the Indian farmers. So in this context, today I want to talk about some emotional facts and problems of the Indian farmers. So let's begin the video. Friends, we all know Indian agriculture is based on the monsoon rainfall. So frequent monsoon failure, droughts, heavy rainfall are becoming major threats to the our agriculture and to the farmers also. And it leads to the very big problem of the agriculture that's called unpredictability. Yes, it's unpredictability. For an instance, if you work for anything in any sector, at the end of the month or at the end of the year, you may get some returns for your work done. But in case of agriculture, there is unpredictability, lots of unpredictability. And because of this reason, Indian farming is declining and leading to the India's food shortage also. In my opinion, to be frankly saying, it's not about a farmer problem. It's all about a problem to every citizen of this country. So after all crossing these big hurdles, the fund that is generating at the end of the procurement of the production is very less compared to the higher interest rates that they has to pay to the local jamindars or bankers or whoever. This lead a farmer life so stressful. You know guys, in 2012, the National Crime Records Bureau of India reported 13,754 farmer suicides. And then farmers from rural areas have a bigger families that are dependent on smaller farmlands, which leads to the economic burden. You know guys, there is an example I want to tell you here that it is estimated that India's agriculture sector accounts only for around 14% of country's economy but for 42% of total employment in it. Means so many people are in the mask of the agriculture as their employment, means they are all in underemployment. Policy paralysis is another important problem. Poor targeting schemes are very required here. In our country, welfare schemes are given to the people depending upon their reservation scale. Similarly, the classification has to done in such a way small, marginal and rich farmers. And the poor targeting schemes, poor farmer targeting policy making and implementation is very important in order to eliminate the ground problems in this agriculture. Finally, Indian agriculture, India's backbone, has damaged. It's required an urgent surgery as much as possible in the form of proper policy making and proper implementation of that policies targeting the poor and marginal farmers. Let's pray for this guys. Thank you. Jai Kisan, Jai Bharat.